Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this Vogue magazine cover right here in Photoshop. And as usual, all the assets are available in the description box, so don't forget to download them and design along with me. I'll also make the PSD file available in case you want it. But that time too much, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a new file and excuse me, I'll create a new file and I'll um make sure the settings are like mine, 1080 by 1350. This is not the actual size for magazine covers. I don't know what the size is, but I wanted to post this on Instagram, so I just use Instagram size. And yeah, click on create. So first thing I'll do is to just bring in the image. So there are two images. There's the original image that I got on Pinterest, and then I upscaled it using Gemini AI, and then I removed the background. So I'll bring in both because there's a reason I'll need both of them. So once they are in, select two of them, press Ctrl T and transform them. So you can see the Gemini logo at the bottom. I don't want that to show, so I'm just going to expand it like this. And yeah, so the reason I brought in both of them is because I want to put the Vogue logo behind his head. So since I have the one that removed the background at the back, once I bring in the Vogue logo, you can see that it will be behind him. Okay, so that was the point. Then you can now select the Vogue logo, press color value, change it to white. Then I have a series of texts that is going to be on the poster. So I'll copy the first one, select my text tool, and paste. February, I'll change February to white. Press Ctrl T to reduce the size. Yeah, I'll leave it there. I'll duplicate that February. I'll bring it to the top and I'll change the color to black. Then I'll copy the texts. Alright, so I'll copy the text, new face of style, and my text to paste it inside of February and make it left aligned. I'm using Poppins regular by the way. Increase the size like this. I'll reduce the line spacing a little bit. Drag it down. Yeah, the new face of style. So you can see my size, the line spacing, and then the tracking. So you can just make yours like mine. Then duplicate it again. Then copy the next set of texts. Paste it. Adjust the size. And then take it down. I think I'll still reduce the size a bit more. Alright, so you have the text on that side. So I'll select all of them and I'll duplicate it. And then I'll make them left aligned. And I'll place it on the left side. Then I'll copy this yellow revolution. And so my text to paste it in. Select this. Paste it here. Alright, so I'll bring regular sorry. yellow revolution. I'll bring it down. Press Ctrl T and I'll reduce the size as well. And I'll select this tool, duplicate it again. Excuse me. And I'll go and bring this text in. Push it up. I'll push up yellow revolution as well to create space. Then copy the last set of text. Alright, so now we have all the text available. Select the topmost layer and press Ctrl+Shift+E to create a snapshot of all the layers. Convert that to a smart object, go to your filter, go to camera or filter, and you can just play around to make it more cinematic. So I'll just increase the texture, the contrast rather, a bit of exposure. Texture, grain, vignettes, clarity and the haze. Go to detail, increase sharpening, and I think I'll call it a day. Click on OK, and boom, you have a Vogue magazine cover. Thank you for watching to this point. If you liked anything new, let me know what you liked, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.